Have a remover, T20 T30 and Phillips screwdriver ready before installation. Take out the center control trim panel, and pull out the plug on the back of the trim panel. Unscrew out the 4 screws on the head unit. Take out the head unit, and unplug all the plugs behind the head unit. These 2 plugs need to be docked with the main line of CarPlay. Pull out all the screws on the side of the head unit. Take out the screen section. Twist out the screws on both sides of the screen. Remove the screen case. When removing it, be careful and remove the flat cable on the back of the case. Twist out the screws on both sides of the screen. Take the screen out and take care to pull out the flat cable behind the screen. Open the back cover of the screen. Unscrew all the screws on the PCB board. Take out the flat cable on the PCB board. Take out the CarPlay PCB board and connect the original car's flat cable to the CarPlay PCB board. Note that the flat cables need to be connected properly when connecting them. Insulating tape can be used to attach CarPlay's PCB to the back of the screen. Connect the CarPlay flat cable to the original motherboard. Restore the original motherboard. Reconnect the cable to the original motherboard. Rescrew the screws to secure the motherboard. Attach the back cover. Lead the long, flat cable of CarPlay through the gap behind it. Reconnect the flat cable to the screen. Note, you need to connect the head unit flat cable to the PCB board of CarPlay. The screen part is partially installed, and the screen is restored. Reinstall the screen case and make sure the flat cables are well connected. Connect the long, flat cable you just drew to the CarPlay video board. Connect CarPlay's LVDS cable to the box. Connect the 2 power plugs on the CarPlay cable to the corresponding ports behind the main unit. And dock the other end with the main line plug corresponding to the original car. Connect the white plug of the CarPlay main line to the box. The CarPlay box can be placed in the interior of the central console. After the CarPlay installation is completed, you can restore the original car layout. After selecting the original car auxiliary or CD, press and hold the steering wheel hang-up button to switch to the CarPlay system. You can check the CarPlay Bluetooth name and other information on the Bluetooth interface, and the mobile phone enters the Bluetooth interface. Search for and connect CarPlay Bluetooth, and tap Pair Allow. Click to use CarPlay and wait for the connection to be successful to enjoy wireless CarPlay.
报告方向盘。
每个孤独的晚上，就像电影的散场。
倒车。
有泪光，每个相爱的地方，都像回忆值得忘。多少痛苦关在手头，谁能看出我的伤？
方向盘的切割。